wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit, I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top.
YouTube, back at you again with another video. In this video, we're gonna go stealth mirrors. Now the mirrors that I'm gonna install on this bike today, it does come with a set that has a light attached to the mirrors, but I don't like that look. It look pretty big and bulky to me. So on this video, I'm gonna put some stealth mirrors, but I won't have any turn signals. In the future though, I do plan on adding the new Rage Cycle turn signals to the bike. I think those look a little bit more stealth compared to the other ones I saw on the market. But these mirrors look very, very big and bulky. So I'm gonna take these mirrors off and I'm gonna put on some carbon fiber stealth mirrors. Stay tuned as we get into this video. All right, so since these mirrors come with this wire here is for the turn signals. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna disconnect this wire, which is inside of here, this shroud on the bike. To take that off, there's 4mm bolts. This is one, and then the second one is up here. So I'm gonna take these two off. It's gonna give me access to the wire plug. I'm gonna disconnect the wire plug, and then I'm gonna take the mirrors off. Also, this Allen bolt goes down into another one that's inside of here as well. To take the mirrors off, you have to loosen that bolt on the bottom. So let's knock that out real quick. Also, don't forget this third one here. I overlooked it, but it was 1, 2, and then 3 up top. Cool. All right, so the wire for the turn signal goes into this shroud. You disconnect this wire, and then you pull it right out of there. It's a very, very small connector. Let me pop it off so I can show you what it looks like. Right here. This is it right here. It's really, really tiny. This will fit in that hole right there. So let me take these off and then the mirror will come right off the bike and continue from there. All right, once you take out those two top bolts, you just pull it through and just fish that connector right on out of there. Like that, and boom. So now there's no mirror or anything on this side of the bike. All right, so now that I have this off, let me show you what mirror I'm talking about when it comes to my bike. Okay, before I show you the mirrors, I've been trying the hardest since I sold the ZX10R to sell these mirrors. I had them on OfferUp, eBay, everywhere, and I tried to sell these mirrors for a measly $40, and not one person wanted to buy these mirrors for $40. I tried to sell these mirrors for 40 bucks and no one wanted to buy them. It does come with the curve. They're stealth mirrors. The ones that have the turn signals for the ZX10, the turn signal is literally right here, but I don't like how it looks. So I'm gonna put these mirrors on the bike, and I really believe that these mirrors are gonna look so much better on the bike. They're pretty much the same setup or install process as coming off of those mirrors. This goes like this, and then this sits over like that. This hole won't be completely blocked, but it'll be close. Let me install it and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And now I have this side installed, and I'm gonna tell you something. If you compare the two, they're close to the same length. Hold up. Oh no, they're not. Okay, I'm the only person in my state currently with this mirror on a ZX10. I guarantee you, I'm the only one. I don't have Rizoma mirrors. I'm the only one with these mirrors in my state, in the United States, with these mirrors. Let me put it like that. That's clean. I tried to sell these mirrors for $40 and I couldn't sell them. See what I mean by don't get rid of your parts? Hang on to them. You never know if you'll ever need them again. And now they're on the ZX10. I tried to sell it for just 40 bucks and I couldn't sell it for 40 bucks. I'm pretty sure I can sell those for 150 easy. For anyone with a Ninja ZX6R or anyone with the Ninja 400 would buy those for 150 bucks. But they wouldn't buy this for 40. All right, so let me put the other one on. All right, once you take the one on the gas brake side, throttle side, this pin is pushed up inside of here, like that. And then the mirror, wow, it's literally hanging, but it comes right out. And this is the throttle side mirror. Set that aside. Those are now for sale. And then now I just got to put up the throttle side of the stealth mirror. And to me, that looks terrible just now. Okay, let me put the other one on and see how we can get it look better. Oh my God. The camera does not give this justice. Look at how clean this looks. Damn. Yo, I'm gonna tell you something right now. Cowie, if you'd have did this, the bike would have been so much sexier, right? If these red lines were not here and it was just the hooks at the top. Look at that. Look at, I'm the only one in the States with these mirrors on this bike. And look how that looks. Yo, no disrespect to Rizoma, but these are nicer than me. The part that it comes down like this, the H, if I'm not mistaken, the H2 has it, but I could be wrong. And the H2 don't have mirrors. I got mirrors. Yo, these are so nice. I gotta go out and take pictures. I got to go out and take some really good pictures. The front of the bike, let me tell you something. From changing out that little reflector and putting the black and then the front axle slider with these mirrors, let me tell you something. This part of the bike is freaking amazing. And I'm just gonna work my way towards the back if I can. But I might jump all over the bike just because I want the bike to look good. But in the most part, for right now, these mirrors change the overall look of the bike. And also these mirrors are a whole lot lighter because this is carbon fiber or replica. But doesn't matter. This does not weigh as much as the OEM lights. So yeah, I'm gonna get the turn signals that go here and that'll be the video. But as of right now, this is how the bike is gonna stay until I can get more parts. Thanks for watching. Hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.